few years ago, the Department for Education advised schools to implement a new general ledger structure. Sage Intacct for Education is pre-built with this new structure. Further configuration can be provided to hide codes that will not be required or to restrict users from processing against the incorrect transaction types. On screen, we have the nominal codes listed, and we can see at the moment that books, for example, can be required to selected departments and to require a location before the transaction is saved. It's one of the many configurations available within the program out of the box. In terms of the reports available to be run in Sage Intacct for Education, if I go into my reports center, you can see on screen a wide variety of reports available. All these reports come standard out of the box with the system, including things like cash balances, income and expenditure, revenue expenditure by budget versus actual, statement of activities, trust consolidations. Further down, we go into the various modules of cash management, the general ledger, accounts payable, and also accounts receivable. Particular focus on there as well with the taxes module with the VAT 126 report, which schools and academies will need to submit on a frequent basis. If we run a couple of those reports, we have a revenue and expenditure budget versus actual. On screen, we can see the budget column, the actual column, and then a variance column. This is just for one of the academies in the trust's organization. And we also have a statement of financial activities report. Again, this one's configured so that the columns are the restricted funds, restricted fixed assets, and also the unrestricted funds columns. These reports will build up, be required for schools to report on throughout the school calendar year.